The drop set technique is an intensification method that we can add into various exercises within your program to increase its difficulty and challenge you in a slightly different way to just standard reps and sets. You'll see this in your program denoted next to the rep target of your exercise as asterisk DSX followed by a number, and that number could be 1, 2, 3, maybe even 4. And that says to you that we are asking you to do 1, 2, 3 or 4 drop sets efforts. Now, at the top of your session notes, we will tell you which sets to perform this on. So it could be your first, second, or last set, depending on what we have within your program. And essentially, you just have to implement this on that specific set. Now, a drop set works like this. You'll have your weight that you've been performing your previous sets on, and you're going to complete that weight to failure. So technical or physical failure, so whether you can maintain good technique and that stops, or until you physically cannot perform any more reps. You will immediately drop the weight on the stack by 10 to 20%, but we'll specify that in your session notes at the top of that workout. And then immediately complete another set to failure. If you have more than one effort, you will then have to drop another further 10 to 20%, again specified in your program notes at the top of the session, and then complete another set to failure. Now, when it comes to noting down how many reps you've achieved, we just want you to note down the number of reps achieved in your initial effort before you've actually performed any of the drops. So this will make life easier for you just counting. So make sure you count that first set and how many reps you achieve. And then it's just a case of physically completing the drops without having to worry about how many reps you've actually achieved.